Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to make a card using the side panel 5x7 Showstopper die sets. It was one of the very first ones from the Showstopper range that I released. And I'm going to be using it with the latest funny sentiments that I've just released. So we've got the how rude, let the drinks flow, and excuse me. So these have lots of funny sentiments. They're a little bit rude, a little bit naughty. You can snip into these. You can change them a little bit if you want to. I'm not going to say too much, let your imaginations go. If you head over to my Mixed Up Craft channel, you will see, let's say, ones that are a bit more adult over there. I've also got this lovely sentiment set here, which is your stamps and dies, and these are just really nice for all occasions. So it's all the sentiments is the name, and you've got your big dies here with the happy and the cheers, today, celebrate, and then all of these smaller ones, and all down here, these are all your stamps. So you've got them with the black background, but also without the background as well. So something for all kind of styles there, more of a contemporary feel. And there's also this brand new paper pack as well, 8x8s. It's the Showstopper editions, which is what all of this collection is part of. 8x8, you get 4 each of 6 designs, and it's 190 GSM. And I'm using the butterfly one today. But head over to the CraftStash website, and also, like I said, on my YouTube channels, and you will find more inspiration over there as well. So this is the side panel 5x7 Showstopper die set. So I've already cut the main plate here. You will need a larger format machine, so your A4 machine for this one, because the width of this is 7 inches. So I've run that through using, this is the CraftStash Creative Craft Products cards. So this is 230 GSM, but you can use a heavier weight as well, but that is fine, because by the time you add your mats and layers, it soon obviously, adds that strength. So these are all the mats and layers here. You can double these up as well. I have, again, tons and tons of tutorials and just different card samples. Photos are all on the albums on my Facebook page, the Showstopper album, and also, again, like I said, tutorials on the Made to Surprise and the Mixed Up Craft channel. Okay, so you want to start bringing this one up and just pinch just here. You won't have that extra fold, I just caught mine. Then you'll have this one here. You want to make sure that's a valley fold. And as you pull that valley fold, these are going to start to want to go into a mountain fold. So just pinch the ends here, and this will also become a mountain fold. And then this last one is a valley fold. And as that folds under, that gives you your 5x7 side panel. And like I said, if you cut another one, you just flip it around, stick it in the middle, and you've got this really large Showstopper. You can also join it in the middle here. You can not add that score line, because I always like to go over mine in my scoreboard. If you keep that down and have it this way, you've got a stepper style card as well. So there's a few orientations that you can have this one, but we're going to keep it this way. And then you get all your mats and layers. So I've cut my main mat and layer frame side here. Then I've got another mat and layer here. And this section is also really nice to put a bookmark. You could have more of a vertical style sentiment there as well. Then I've got another mat and layer just there, another one here, and then another one just in there. And that is using all of these here. As you can see, I lay them all out in the kind of style of the card. So like I said, I've chosen the butterfly paper there, and you'll see with the sentiment here in the middle, one of the sentiments that does make me smile. I'll just bring the stamp sets back in again. So it's this one here. It's from the Excuse Me set. And then I've just popped some foam on the back, and I've just wrapped some twine around so it just looks like a little present, and that's going to stick in the middle. So I'm going to get all those stuck down. Okay, then what I've done is I've cut quite a few of the butterflies from my Butterflies Galore stamp and die set. So I've used these 3 here, and I've cut them in the 3 colours that I've used on the card. So the white, the teal, and the pink. For the stamping, I've used the parakeet. It's the quick dry, if anybody's wondering what colour that is. And I'm going to stick the 3 butterflies, because they match perfectly, around this part of the frame, but I'm going to have one of them attached to a little bit of acetate. Now, somebody did this on a card that they sent to me. I think it was a birthday card. Apologies if it was you, please comment. And I just thought it was really nice having the acetate stuck behind, so imagine there, and then the butterfly, and it just kind of like wobbled around, and it just looked really nice. I think I'm going to have one kind of just here, and then one from the top left corner, and then the other one I think I'm just going to kind of just stick maybe like that. So I'm going to have a little play around and get the butterflies attached. Okay, so there is the finished card. So it's a really pretty one with a very unexpected sentiment in the middle, and that's what I like about this. I like making the card really beautiful, detailed, and then you've got that kind of shocking sentiment. So I'm not sorry I forgot, I just don't like it that much. Yeah, I spent ages making this beautiful card for you, so I think it's lovely. See, I've added some tiny little gems there. You can see that little butterfly just moving there. I just ended up sticking that one to the frame, so you can stick them, you know, so they don't move, or just add a little bit of the acetate there and it displays really nicely. Cut yourself a couple more of these panels so you've got somewhere to write your message, and then that all folds down and that will go into a 5x7 envelope, or you can pop it into one of my box envelopes as well, which I have over on my Mixed Up Craft YouTube channel. So thank you for watching today. All of the product is available over on the CraftStash website. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel here, because that way you won't miss out on any of our future videos, and you can also go back and look at all of our older stuff and check out this tutorial next for some more inspiration.